going to talk with you about the gloves that you get in your kit. A lot of people have allergies to latex, so we offer Nitrile Gloves. They're exam level gloves, good for tattooing and piercing. No surgery, but this is exactly what you'll need for your tattoos. When you're done, you'll want to keep any bodily fluids on the glove and off of your skin as you take it off. You're going to use one glove at the wrist and pull about halfway off. You'll take the other wrist and pull that one off. And you can touch the inside of the glove to make sure that everything stays inside. And that's all you need to know about using your gloves.